as a non-alumni parent coming to Purdue. We like to say we adopted Purdue, but we think that Purdue perhaps adopted us. And you don't necessarily have to have gone to school here to be able to participate and then see the benefits of participating. And so it was really clear to us that it's more than university, more than the buildings, it's really about the people. From a perspective of Purdue's culture of care, unfortunately my son, his freshman year, fell very, very ill. We were very concerned because it was rather serious, but the administrators, his professors, they were so caring and in a very proactive manner, in fashion, they really kind of put our mind at ease. They were very accommodating to him. And so, unfortunately then, his second year he had surgery as well, but we experienced the same culture of care. My son Alex took a really significant leap forward as he participated in the study abroad program afforded to him from the Daniels School. And so he was given a grant to go and study abroad in Florence, which we were very grateful for and also very proud of him. And he came back as somebody who had a more global view and perspective of the world. I've seen a really significant shift in Erin's confidence. She's part of the recruiting office for the Purdue Boilermaker football team. It's been a real pleasure seeing how engaging with a lot of the recruits, engaging with the staff, has really afforded her a fantastic opportunity to really kind of take that professional step forward as a sophomore. I could see both of our kids flourishing here at Purdue. It was pretty simple for us because we had already had 3 years of experience at Purdue with our son. It was really about ensuring that there's a space for kids to communicate face-to-face and collaborate. Because what we found is our own kids' experience here is really fostered in relationships and developing relationships, strong relationships through academics, and then also, you know, the personal experiences that they've had. And so we were really keen on taking their experience and ensuring that others can have that same type of experience moving forward. And quite frankly, my daughter will be able to enjoy the building for at least a year. My wife Laura and I hope that others get inspired through our gift, because you don't have to necessarily be an alumni or an alumnus of the school to be able to participate.